Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super gorgeous greeting card come pop-up card for the new year. And can you see this? How gorgeously the card has been made. The pop is something like a magical thing and you can make it in very few steps with very easy technique. Isn't it an unique idea for the new year celebration? I'm just loving the process of popping the card, and I will also share how to create the own background to make your card looks more attractive. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking peach color cardstock which is 22 by 13 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 10 centimeters. So just folding the crease and burnishing it very well. Then taking one cardstock which is 8 by 7 centimeters, and from both the sides I have creased at 1 centimeters on the 7 centimeter side. Now folding these creases like this. And it should look like a zigzag shape. Now taking back the base, and I'm going to stick my zigzag panel on top of this. Just adding glue on one of the folded part, align it exactly in the center and stick it like this. Then fold on opposite side and burnish it. Then taking one more cardstock which is 24 by 16 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 10 centimeters. Burnishing it very well. Then rotating the sheet, and from both the sides I have creased at 0.7 centimeters. Now we just need to cut on this bigger section from both the sides like this. And then cut diagonally on this part, similarly cutting from another side. Then folding these parts, and it should look like this. Then taking back my flap which we have created, fold this green part which is in zigzag fold, add little glue, then align your base sheet exactly in the center and press it the topmost flap like this. To burnish it nicely, fold the card completely and burnish from other side as well, so that it will stick nicely with the base. And now I'm just checking whether it is popping or not. Yes, it's working perfectly, popping nicely. Then it's time to close the side flaps. So just fold these flaps inward and add little glue and just stick it like this. And the base of the card is ready, and the popping section is working very well. Now keeping it aside, and I am making one more pop-up element inside the cards. For this I am taking pink cardstock which is 19 by 11 centimeters. I have just folded the sheet from the center, and on this side I have just marked some of the sections. The middle one is having 4 by 2 centimeter measurements, and the other two are having 3 by 2 centimeters measurements. So I just created these boxes. We have to cut the vertical lines only. And on each horizontal line, we have to make the crease. Fold these flaps from both the sides and open the card and just pop it inside it. So we have nice pop-up bases ready. Now taking back my card, and inside this inner card I am going to stick this. So just adding glue and sticking this pop-up pink card. Burnish it nicely. Now putting it back and checking again. So yes, it's working again nicely. Now it's time to decorate it. So here I'm taking 4 by 4 centimeter white cardstock and just covering it using red color fabric paper. Here I'm making small gifts to create the pop-up gift box. Cutting the excess paper from the edge. Then just decorating it using some yellow color strips to decorate the box shape, and also adding yellow color paper bow. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more boxes. Now taking back my card, and on these flaps I am going to stick all these 3 boxes. Like this. Then created one more pop-up mechanism. This is simple 2 by 2 square, folded 5 times to create the pop-up, adding this 2024 banner on this. This is simple cube shape, and then sticking it on the base on top of the gifts. Like this. And also I have written the sentiment Happy New Year on top of this. And the beautiful pop-up mechanism is done. You can just decorate using some sketch pen designs and some borders. Now I'm decorating the front card using red color cardstock. Also added one piece of red color cardstock in the bottom of the card. And then adding one more peach cardstock on this, but before that I am making my own handmade paper. So just to decorate this, I am using some light red color 3mm strips and sticking on the base in cross manner. So creating here cross pattern. Like this, then cutting the excess strips from the edges. And then on each center where the crosses are bisecting each other, I am adding these yellow color paper dots. These are made using hole punch. This is the simple round hole punch machine dots. So all the dots are decorated. Now I'm adding one red color strip on this. Decorating this strip using this beautiful border design. Then just taking back my card and sticking it on top of this. Then adding one circle. To give little dimension to the circle, I have added some pieces of cardstock on back side and exactly sticking it in the center of the card. Also in the bottom I am adding red color border cutout design. You can also write pull on this section so that the receiver will know that we have to pull this section to know how the card is exactly working. Then I have this beautiful floral design in the quilling. I have already prepared this, so I'm sticking it exactly in the center. And if you want to know how I have created this, I have just given the link in description box. You can check there how I have created this bunch. I'm adding some more scrolls and leaves randomly just to fill the section. Like this. And then writing the beautiful message inside the pocket on the top of the card. Hope your year is filled with good fortunes and new adventures. And the beautiful and very gorgeous card for the new year is ready. You can also use this technique to create birthday cards or anniversary cards. And tada, the popping mechanism is working really very fine, and I'm just loving the outcome so much. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.